So this was actually Tuesday's lunch, and it was a cauliflower pizza and some ranch. I showed how to make it on my last video. If you're interested, I'll link it down below. I'm just making a breakfast taco. I'm using the low carb tortillas, and then I just have egg, cheese, and bacon. This is the best cheese ever. This cheese is so good. I put a little bit of ketchup on it, but it's not even a tablespoon. It's like half of a tablespoon. Anyways, I'm using these carb balance tortillas, 6 grams of net carbs and 70 calories, 2 grams of fat, 2.5 grams of fat. Something you should do every morning is boil some eggs, because eggs are a quick snack that you can add with anything. If you're eating, like, just say you want a snack plate like peanuts and cheese or something, you can always add an egg in there. So make sure you have boiled eggs on deck. So here is my lunch. It's just a snack plate. I have some cheese, I have some ham roll-ups with cream cheese, 1 egg, and 10 pretzels. So I'm not doing keto or anything. It's just low carb, so I allow myself to have carbs as long as they're under 40 carbs a day. So I counted it out and put it in my fitness pal and everything, and I can afford to have pretzels. So yeah. Sometimes I won't do the cheese cubes. I'll do a tablespoon of peanut butter for something sweet to dip the pretzels in. But today I felt like just having more cheese, I guess. But yeah, you can also add olives on this plate, or you can have this on the side of like a small salad or something. But this is what I'm eating. And the last thing I ate for the day was some chicken noodle soup. This is just the Campbell's soup, and also 5 crackers. So that ended up being like 20 carbs for everything. And that's pretty much it. Now on to my weigh-in. Apparently my dog wanted to weigh himself. But anyways, this was Wednesday morning, and I weigh in at 211.2, so close to 210, but it's okay. I'll get there next week. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next Tuesday.